Welcome back to the channel and the farm. My wife does the morning routine sometimes on camera, so I figured I'd do the afternoon. Do you think they know something's coming? Step one, hang the basket up. You can't see very well through there, but they're jumping. See how I can do this with one hand. Are you excited? Good grief. That is the distraction. It's another quiet. Now we get the eggs. Every day. Twice a day. And then at night I gotta put them away. The chickens, I mean. First we got a bunch of eggs. Trying to do this one-handed. I feel like I thought there was a hen in there, but there isn't. Okay. And we leave the fake ones. I may struggle because it's a two-person job. Camera, I mean. And we got a little latch down here. We got a bear-proof stuff. So here's the birds. They got broccoli, I think, and spaghetti today. And we got one that didn't get any, of course. Poor thing. Oh, she got one. Okay. Let me take our eggs back into the house, and we pick up our pan on the way by. That is the afternoon routine. Hashtag farm life.